Welcome and thanks for joining us. Today we are going to learn how to change the spool on a Black & Decker LST201 weed trimmer. Now the next question a lot of us are going to have is, what type of spool do we need? And the answer to that question, if you look at the trimmer right here, on the back side of that, there's some fine print, I'll zoom in on it here, is for this particular model, number AF100. So whether you're shopping at a physical store or going online, what you're specifically looking for is a package that has the AF100 on it. In front of us we have 3 different packages of AF100 spools. All of them work. Now it's time to go ahead and change it. The first thing you want to do is make sure that there's no power on, so take the battery off. And if you'll see, there's a little spot right here and there's a little tab right here. What we're going to do is push both these in, and that should allow us to pull this out right here. And in front of us I've got 2 different camera angles and of course the instructions on the left, just to make sure you can see how to do it. There, we push it in, we pull it out. All right, we're going to take that old spool out right there, and you can see there's not much left on it. And of course, we got the new spool right there. We are looking specifically for the end. It should be somewhere in there. Okay, we got the end. We're going to take that end piece, and we're going to put it through the little hole. I got to spin it around, and we got the hole right there. And of course, it might take a little bit to finagle it through. We get it through the hole right there, and then we just press that in. And then of course, after we press it in, we're going to take that cap and then push it in like so. And there we have it. We have it all set. And that's going to wrap this up. Thank you for watching.